How to upload HD WhatsApp status videos on iPhone. Here's how to post your videos in the best quality available. First, open WhatsApp on your iPhone. And open any chat. You can even use your own chat if you message yourself. Next, tap the plus or attachment button and choose Photos. Select the video you want to upload. Before sending the video, look for the HD button at the top of the preview. If you see it, tap HD, then send the video. Once the video has been sent, press and hold it, or tap forward. Then select My Status and tap Send or Forward. This lets you upload the same HD version to your WhatsApp status. Keep in mind that WhatsApp still compresses videos, so the quality may be slightly reduced. However, uploading the video in HD helps preserve much better quality than the standard option. If you don't see the HD button, make sure your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version, as this feature is rolling out gradually and may not be available on every account yet. That's it. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, iPhone tutorials, and troubleshooting guides.